Hello and thank you very much for the time. This is Mehrdad from Smart Vision International. We're about to talk about BIM, which refers to Building Information Modeling, a booming concept affecting every aspect of construction, and every constructor, engineer, financer, or even everybody who is in charge with primary levels of construction will have an optimized and better performance in. They use it because of so many advantages it has. You will model and put every information in building, then build your construction virtually. Whole maps will be working together, and if there is a confliction, you will be warned. Some general steps are being followed, and regarding to your need, different LODs will be available. We do basic model, detailed design, detecting clashes, list of material and list of prices according to the prices which we have in the project, Navis work, and timing for the project management. Certainly our goal is to zero out your cost of mistakes. It increases your ability and widen your vision to reduce unwanted mistakes between different disciplines. All you need to do is just give your 2D, 3D, AutoCAD, hand-drawn manuscripts or every kind of designing in architecture, structure, mechanical, electrical and piping to us. We will continue the rest by bringing them in one unit file, examining and estimating whether everything in every designing working well with each other or there is a clash and confliction. As you know, if you face with a moved axe in your structural design during the construction process, it will be a disaster. What would you do with the stairs? What would you do with your architectural spaces? Neither you can go 20 centimeter to your side nor leave 20 centimeter because you won't reach to the next level in stairs. We will show you the clashes before construction and during the designing process. Okay, let's have a look at the software and some practical advantages. We talked about BIM and the necessity of why everywhere they are talking about Revit. It becomes an opportunity to producers, manufacturers and everybody who have a product relating to the building to use BIM to promote himself in BIM and prepare his pre-made templates, families, in the Revit. Me as a designer, imagine I started to design my villa, which you see here, my building. This is the site view. The axes are drawn, the walls are drawn, the structure, and it's not completed yet. And I start to design my map, my designing, and what I do is I'm not going to draw the, for example, this uh, door, because designing door needs a specialty, and there is some factories they are designing door, and there is existing doors which waiting for us to use in our construction, to use our building. So as a producer, there is a chance for you to design your all of your products, to put all of the information you need in your product, which maybe it's the cost, maybe it's the contact number, maybe it's the other information. For example, for this door, we designed a tag, the name of the door, the cost of the door, the height, and the seal height is written here. Let's have a better understanding of the view. Let's go to the 3D view. This is our 3D view. The section box is activated. Uh, Me as a designer, I have a very simple process after my concerns about the designing, the spaces, how to enter, what is the circulation, materials in my building, in my designing. I start to put my furniture. The furniture is not completed. What I need is to go to the internet, like beamobject.com, which is very popular. What kind of material I need? Here I need doors. I click on the doors. For example, I choose this model, olive wall. It's just example. For instance, I'm saying I click on the wall, the object, download, and then load it to the project. I already load some other doors here. Imagine I'm going to put some door here, but it's not the place, but it's just the showing. I go to the architecture. I want to show you how simple is the process of design and how it's come to handy for a producer to design his templates, his pre-made families, and give to the designers like me who are sitting all around the world, and so that they could use it their designing. And what will happen after using, I will show it to you. Let's have a quick look. Door, I choose for example this door, I put it here. There is a confliction. It's Do you know what's the confliction? Because there is joint between two walls, and the Revit says you cannot put your door here. So it is why everybody is using Revit these days, because it's all of the advantage and the good aspects of Excel, Revit, Excel, Autodesk, I mean AutoCAD, 3D Max, Adobe softwares, and good softwares that you know. They have some advantages. Revit tries to gather all of these advantages, and this is why it's booming everywhere. Okay, imagine that I finished my designing. I put my windows, I put my door here. This is not drawn by myself, by me too. This is a curtain wall. Airtress has designed it. Actually, it was a simple wall like this, and after designing the wall, all I did is just downloaded the material, the family. I loaded to the project. I just this clicked, and the material of the address has entered to my project. Okay, imagine that the process has done, it's finished. I want to give it to the general contractor to build this building for me. Okay, what will he do is to schedule the project. There are so many schedules, the tables, actually the reporting of the project. It is just for door. As you see, I wrote it here. There are so many doors, interior and exterior. What is the family type? What is the model number? And what is the description? For having this interior wall door, which is made in inox, all I need is to call this number and order this. The cost is this, and maybe we can negotiate. So what's happening? There is a customer which directly calling to the actually the factory. Why? Because the factory has produced and prepared its template and pre-made products and put it on the internet, so that designers like me, who are sitting all around the world, they are using. For the time and listening. It was the BIM and the advantages of BIM, advantages of having families in the Revit, which you can put your identity and your name and in the project, and you can be in touch directly with the customer. It's a channel of marketing like TV and like newspaper, actually the cost is very low, but the outcome is very good. So if you were interested, please call us. I will be waiting for you. We can negotiate about your product and about how we can promote your products in the market. So the process is this: design your families, put it on the internet, and be accessible to all of the designers who are using your Revit. What will happen? You will appear in the report paper of the project, and the materials are be chosen during and through the designing process, and not physically in the shops or choosing from the advertisements television. Thank you very much. This was Mehrdad.